Is poor customer service that big of a problem? Businesses and customers say yes. Here's a look into why that is. Imagine this. A customer bought an item online and was sent the wrong one for some reason. They reached out to the business to correct the issue, but not only did it take them a week to reply, the business ghosted the customer the moment they wanted a refund. For half the buyers, this would be an instant deal breaker for any future purchases. 52% of customers leave after a single negative impression of a business, driving home the need for exceptional CX. The odds of a bad review are also high, given that 44% of consumers leave negative reviews. A single review is not a death sentence, but it still has a lot of influence. In fact, 94% say they avoid a business because of a bad review. This highlights how vital feedback is to growing and maintaining a business's customer base and branding. With 84% of consumers checking reviews before making a purchase, it's very possible to lose customers before they even connect with your brand in any way. How reviews are handled has a similar impact on customer experience and goodwill, with 53% expecting a response to negative reviews within a week and 1/3 expecting a response within 3 days. It also isn't enough to simply avoid upsetting customers, since about 70% use rating filters, with roughly 1/3 filtering for at least a 4-star rating. This leaves you invisible unless you deliver great CX. These losses are magnified once you consider that the average customer acquisition cost has risen over the past decade. E-commerce, for instance, saw a 222% jump in CAC from 2013 to 2022. This doesn't even take into account the high probability of a one-time purchase. First-time customers have a mere 27% chance to make another purchase, making it critical to retain existing customers. The true cost of poor customer service is a combination of different variables, from loss of business to the cost of customer acquisition, which compound quickly. Investing in excellent customer service is a smart way to not only keep customers happier but also avoid the extreme cost. Interested in outsourcing customer service to improve satisfaction and revenue? Follow us to learn more BPO insights or schedule a discovery call today. We'll be waiting. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.